Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we are looking for SUI here at a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. After both case scenarios, you would like to see of course a corrective wave in 3 waves, A, B and a C, or W, X, Y in this case, because we have a zigzag for your W, a flat for your X, and there is another zigzag for your wave Y. Finishing a wave 2, of course, before hitting the 886, we have a gap here in between, and this is perfect scenario, of course, for a wave 2, fitting much more for a wave 2 rather than a wave B. What I mean with this is that when you have a 1-2, it is preferably, of course, to dive deeper a little bit, hitting the perfect fib level for 0.786 for a wave 2, and then moving toward the upside, especially after having an impulse as a wave 1. In case you are in a wave A, B, and a C in a zigzag, it is preferably that your wave B is shorter in time and shorter in price, because your zigzag, you want your zigzag to look like a blitz, as A, B, and a C toward the upside. And normally the perfect fib level for a wave B are the 0.5 fib level, which is perfect for a wave zigzag, wave B in a zigzag. So of course, after both case scenario anyway, or after a wave 2 here, you would like to see an impulse toward the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, if you are again in an A, B, and a C, you would like to reach the 1-to-1 fib level for a wave C, and obviously we have overpassed the 1.27, which is uncommon target normally for a wave 3 much more than a wave C. And that gives much higher possibility, of course, for a wave 3 rather than a wave C here. Basically, then we can say that we are looking after a wave 4 here and not something else, like a bearish market or a zigzag towards the downside, something like this, or to take the low again. We would like, of course, to reach a wave 4 before hitting again this invalidation point. So in case we are corrective for a wave 4, preferably that we don't, of course, overpass this price level, which is here, of course. This can be your invalidation of a bullish scenario. So we're gonna add this invalidation of bullish, right? Which is at $2.22 for SUI. You don't want that your wave 4 interfere with this wave 1 zone. Now, if we take a look what's happened inside this wave 3 at the end here on the daily, we have potentially, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 can be ended in 2 scenarios, actually, guys. So the first scenario, it can be ended as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finished here as kind of an expanding diagonal. Very rare case scenario, but it can happen, right? Another scenario that your wave 5 can be ended in the top here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. Very extended wave 1, and then of course as a zigzag, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5 finishing ending diagonal, and finishing with it, of course, a wave 3. And in that case scenario, you would like to seek after a wave, impulsive waves toward the downside. Of course, in case you are A, B, and a C zigzag, you would like to continue toward the upside again. In case you have topped here for a wave 5, it is almost the same scenario. You would like to see an impulse. Why? Because this can transform to A, B, and a C expanding flat. Wave C expanding flat is already an impulse towards the downside. By all means, from this price action here on the top or on the all-time high for SUI, you would like to see an impulse in both case scenarios, whether an ABC, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down, reaching at least 0.618 for a wave 4, regarding the time here for your wave 2. So in that case, you would like to see the time passing the 0.618, because this is the minimum required time for a wave 4. The perfect time would be, of course, 1-to-1 fib level, which is at 18th of May, while the minimum requirement is 28th of March. Now, of course, I'm gonna remove this time because it's a little bit nicer, since we have already the blue box the perfect blue box zone for the time. Now it can be extended. Let's extend this first. That it is possible to reach this, but perfectly would be this area, of course. Yeah, so this is a blue zone that we would like it to hit, of course, as a target for your wave 4 here. Now, as I said, if we are in a zigzag, this is your second scenario. If we are in a zigzag, we would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished wave wave zigzag here. And then, of course, this might be your impulse for a wave A of the zigzag, and B and a C, of course, hitting again the blue zone between those fib levels. Let's dive deeper a little bit on the 4-hour chart to check this impulse much more closer. So as you can see, basically we have a double 1-2 here. Let's focus this. Here we go. We have 1-2, 1-2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, as you can see, the wave 4 is going deeper here. Did it interfere? Not yet. Okay, so yeah, that is something here interesting. Yeah, like this can be an invalidation for your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so invalidation of bearish. Yeah, so it's not totally bearish, but invalidation, I would say, for this impulse. It might be, of course, something else, but preferably that we don't touch this not fib level, this price action here at 4.26, because it's gonna invalidate your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So you would like to see 5, 4, and a 5, because we have double 1, 2s here, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Finishing this wave, of course, yeah, finishing it as an impulsive. Now, the target for a wave 5, as you can see, has been given here, in case we are in a wave 5, at $2.8, possibly, yeah. So I'm gonna check the level again. Yes, this is taken from the wave 3. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, basically these are the scenarios. Now, definitely we need a longer wave 4. As you can see, the time required for wave 2 is still short. Yeah, we need at least the same time taken from here to at least almost like 0.618. So we can consider that it might be, of course, finished. But let me check also on the 1-hour chart. Zoom in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zigzag. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, even possibly one more leg. Yeah, because okay, this is a low. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, possibly finished. A, B, and a C. Very nice zigzag. Okay, so yeah, possibly we have finished or topped for a wave 4, and we're looking for this final wave 5 exactly here to reach a perfect fib level at 2.8 or 83. The time anyway required to finish as well this wave 5, I would say, if we take the time here. So let's see this one, wave 5 time over wave 2 over wave 3. Let's take it then over wave 1. Here we go. This is your wave 1 here. And here we go. So yeah, basically you would like to finish around this perfect time here. Let's put our blue box. All right, so to adjust our path here. Here we go. Yeah, that's look much nicer. So perfect time would be on February the 2nd. Yeah, February the 2nd. That would be perfect time, of course, to finish your wave 5. That was it for SUI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.